So today, sa mga ka-Yays, Yays yung mga Your Energy, Your Story, kaya Yays. Sa mga ka-Yays, so we have invited this amazing gentleman today. Sa mga nakakaalam, alam niyo naman, very active ako. No? I run, I swim, I do triathlon for a couple of years bago mag-pandemic. Guest natin today, mga triathlete din sila. Pero medyo iba yung conversation natin today because the reason why I invited them, gusto ko lang marinig yung thoughts nila about a certain topic. No? Siguro particularly si AD Carlo. No? Si Carlo kasi when I think this year, 'di ba? Parang you started your marathon goal.
Oh, actually,
Oo.
4 weeks ago.
4 weeks ago. Di ba 1 month
I was
ata?
forced by my wife to start my marathon journey. Yes, go ahead.
Very good answer kasi the reason why I'm very invested dun sa marathon journey mo, I believe na kapag marathon ka na before, di ba?
7 years ago.
7 years, and that's before pandemic, right?
Before pandemic.
Kaya very relate ako dyan kasi when I had my marathon itong 2025, my last was 2019 pa. No, I think lahat naman tayo makaka-relate kasi talagang pandemic changed a lot no sa lalo na sa sports. Hindi na ako magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Simulan natin tong first question natin for Carlo. What made you decide? I mean, you said na talagang merong may tulak ng asawa mo eh. 'Di ba? Na hindi, mag-marathon ka. Nakita ko yun eh. Niregister ka sa marathon nang walang papaalam, di ba? Nag-comment nga ako nun eh. No? What made you decide to start training again for a marathon?
Okay, so I think for this year, talagang it's a fitness journey for me and my wife. We started even before the marathon. And one of the things that we always talk about is when we see our family. We have 2 boys. We always tell them, I always tell my wife, we tell them that we're willing to die for them. But the real question is, are we willing to be healthy for them also? I think when I heard that the first time, it really struck me. Kasi at the end of the day, di ba, parang you want to be there for every milestone. And your blood results, every time you get it, speaks otherwise.
Right.
So really, you want to make sure the marathon is just a byproduct of really deciding that the lifestyle, there needs to be a change in lifestyle and be healthier.
Love it. I think what I got from there is kahit sabihin na natin na nagulat ka, niregister ka ni Anna for the marathon. But thinking about it, you thought about your family, you thought about your kids, no, living healthier, living longer for your kids so you can see them grow. How many kids do you have again?
I have 2.
2 kids.
2
kids din. Parang pareho kayo talaga, no?
Boys, but you're
Really?
Maraming pinagbabi.
But I feel like a lot of parents can totally relate when it comes to goals sa health. No, we want to live healthier for our kids. Syempre, 'di ba, we're not getting any younger, and our kids are growing, so we want to make sure that we see them, no, going to high school, going to college, achieving their dreams, na malakas pa, no, na you can kaya mo makipagsabayan sa kanila even when they are already adults, no. Ikaw naman, Top, I'm not sure if you registered for that marathon, no? Pero siguro my question is, what drives you to be healthy?
Because he's a hybrid athlete.
Hybrid athlete.
Kami lately, di ba, after triathlon, yung wife ko naman, do siya rin nagpo siya mag-triathlon, bigla niyang napagtripang subukan yung high rocks.
Uso yan ngayon.
Oo, nauso siya. Tapos, sige, try namin. Sabi ko, sige, baka ako madali lang yan. Tapos one time, sinubukan ko, halos himatay na kung hirap pala nun. But really, what motivates me, blood chem. Gusto ko lang talaga ng magandang blood chem. Kasi fatty liver, cholesterol, rosuvastatin, mga ganun. So, yeah, yun ang nag-motivate.
Grabe yung adult.
Guilty also? Are you guilty of rosuvastatin?
Grabe yung adulting. Alam mo, I'm very fortunate no na sa ngayon wala pa akong iniinom. Thank you, Lord. No? I mean, we're not getting any younger, pero I think that's a good good step, no? Para mas umokay, 'di ba?
Mm.
Siyempre hindi ko na halungkatan yung mga iniinom yung gamot ngayon, 'di ba? But I think a lot of us are very familiar with that, and that's the reason why ikaw, Carlo, ikaw, Top, are really leaning towards to become healthy lalo na ngayon 2026. High Rocks,
Yes, Hyrox.
alam mo, hindi ko alam na na yung wife mo pala ang nag-inspire sa'yo to join triathlon.
Yes, kasi yung asawa ko, si Nicole, atleta kasi yun eh.
Siya sa talaga.
Oo, parang biro na nung bata kami. Ako'y lalampa-lampa, well, hanggang ngayon
Oo.
naman. So, na-influence naman ako in a good way. So, yun. Sige, workout. Tapos, hanggang ngayon, masaya siyang masakit katawan niya sa gym. Ako,
Ikaw nag-High Rocks ka rin.
well, yun. So, lately, kasama ko siya nagtitrain.
Mm.
Yeah, papaka-healthy. Saka, yun nga, dahil I still have a 4-year-old daughter. Kasi I have a 10 and a 4.
That's your youngest.
Binubuhat ko pa. Ako nagpapatulog sa kanya every nap time. Sumasakit na yung likod ko pag buhat-buhat ko siya.
Oh no.
So ngayon, dahil nag-workout ulit, so medyo gumagaan-gaan naman. So yeah, yun talaga. So
Parang workout din talaga yun, no?
Being healthy for my family, plus of course the push. Really yun. Gusto ko talaga to live longer.
Actually, may nabasa nga ako na especially for ako I'm turning 40 next year. 'Di ba? Ang sabi doon, when you reach 40, kahit sabihin mo na hindi ka naman talaga sporty, hindi ka nag-triathlon, hindi ka nagma-marathon or whatever sports that you do, kung hindi mo ginagawa 'yon, importante that you are doing strength training.
Correct.
Kasi daw, yun yung basic movement natin every day. So, if you don't train for it, most probably, as you grow old, lalong humihina yung katawan. So, I think that it's good, no, that you're doing a lot of sports lately, running, High Rocks. Ang expensive ng High Rocks, no?
It is. That's why running na lang ako.
Parehas lang.
Depende, kasi kung palagi ka nang bibili ng shoes, mahal din ang running. Pero High Rocks, medyo expensive yan. But congratulations. I'm happy to hear that both of you agrees na the number one reason why you're doing this is because for your family, for your kids, no?
And sorry, just to add, sabi
Yeah.
mo, you mentioned about strength training.
Mhm.
I heard from somewhere na strength training, your muscles are your organs for longevity.
Mhm.
So I think if really the goal is for us to see the milestones of our children, to see our grandchildren, hopefully, it's really strength training has to be added to our daily cardio. Kasi I'm a cardio person. I never lifted weights in the past, but now all of a sudden, sige, because of longevity, now all of a sudden you're lifting weights, even if it's super difficult, even if it's just 2.2 pounds, and then
Totoo, agree ako dyan. Nakikita ko nga kasi dahil lagi kong sinesearch yan sa mga social media. Pinfeed ako ngayon na importante talaga that even, hindi naman kailangan mabigat eh.
Correct.
Ang goal lang talaga is you train your body to lift.
Correct.
Kasi every day we lift. Alam mo, pag nasa kusina, pag nasa bed, di ba? Pag nasa sala, we lift.
Basic functions.
You lift your kids as well, di ba? Given yung current goal ninyo sa health ninyo ngayon, palagay nyo, what change, siguro particularly last year, kasi last year hindi ka naman nagma-marathon, di ba? Last year hindi ka rin naman nag-High Rocks. What changed in you that you feel like that's pushing you right now to run, di ba? To do High Rocks. Kasi it's very difficult to wake up in the morning kung maaga kayong tumatakbo, di ba? Or maulan, lalo na ngayon medyo maulan. Marami tayong ginagawa. I mean, you guys are both very busy person. And mahirap siyang i-squeeze in your schedule. But what changed?
Okay. Sige, so I think for me yung it's really the fact that if dreams have deadlines, parang it sounds very cliche, but if you really dream of a longer life, you dream of a healthier person, or a sexier husband. I think that's one of the goals also. It has a certain deadline, and that once you reach age 40, practically you're nearing that that point wherein there's a point of no return.
Mm.
That if you continue being a couch potato, continue being unhealthy, all of those habits will spill over into your old age, and maybe there's no old age that will happen. So yun. So I think 40 is such a is a marker of a good point of I have to redefine myself, and that really was the wake up call for me.
Redefining yourself. Since you mentioned about redefining, if you are to define your 2026 version, Carlo, ano kaya yung word that will describe you?
Wow, hirap naman nun.
It's okay.
Miss Universe.
Take your time. No pressure, AD Carlo.
What's one word?
Word. Maybe that is resonating ngayong 2026 sa'yo. Kasi last year, hindi naman talaga ganito yung level of passion mo to run every morning, to train for marathon. Kasi wala talagang marathon last year eh. But this year, it changed kasi may bigla kang marathon.
Correct. Pwede bang pass muna ako doon? Pwede bang ipasa ko muna kay
Balikan
Topher yun?
kita dyan.
Balikan mo.
Sige,
Thank
take
you,
your
thank
time.
you.
Take your time. Because sa'yo naman, Top, if may one thing that changed in you, kasi nga lang nag-Hyrox na eh, di ba? What changed?
Sige. Ako maganda yun. Ang, di ba, doon, nagsimula ako rosuvastatin for my high cholesterol and severe fatty liver was last year.
Mm.
So ano, sabi sa akin nung IM, yung doktor, sabi niya, normal lang daw yun. Siyempre, hindi ako tinatakot na, hindi ka na mamamatay bukas, pero dahil normal sa Pilipinong nagtatapsilog ang fatty liver.
Right.
But, sabi niya, kung hindi mo gagawa ng paraan, lifestyle, kasi cliche, healthy lifestyle, balanced diet, di ba? Anyway, sabi ko, sige, kasama ng pagtanda yung rosuvastatin. Sige, inom na rosuvastatin. This year, mga May of this year, yung tipping point ko, nagtimbang ako. I was 199 pounds. Sabi ko, wow, shoot. Sabi ko, never pa akong umapak ng 200. Parang, ganun na lang yun, di ba? Sabi ko, Nicole, ito na to. Mag-workout na ako. Magbabawas na ako ng kakainin. So, ang ginawa ko para lang, kasi di mo nakakatamad. Plus nakakatakot.
Right.
Yung pag-drastic change, yung pag ganun, parang status quo na lang, di ba? So sabi ko, sige, para konting change lang, sinimulan namin sa half cup of rice.
Wow.
So, meron akong pantakal na binigyan ko rin to si Carlo. Yung half cup of rice, I still eat normally. Parang walang masyadong changes. Basta half cup, I eat normal. Pag naubos ko na yung kanin, ubos na rin yung pagkain. Kumbaga, hindi walang papak-papak. Kumbaga, it's now
grabing discipline, no?
Calorie deficit. Di ba? Ganun
Oo.
siya. So,
Yeah.
kaya ko umubos dati ng isang bandeadong kanin down to half cup. Tapos may time na siguro mga unang 2 weeks, gutom pa ako, inom pa ako maraming tubig. So, ngayon, kumbaga, kaya ko na siya. Plus, yung workout, syempre, yung una. Dahil nga, yung tipping point ko ngayon, para lang mas madali, kami ng wife ko, ni Nicole, yun ang aming weekly date. Yun ang date. So, maglalakad kami to the gym, kwento namin. So, it was actually, mas enjoy. Nagpilitan kami sa isa na maglakad. So, yun yung bonding namin. Hanggang sa, ngayon, naging conversations na namin. So, bukod sa, I would like to say, healthier, mas maganda rin yung relationship tayo mag-asawa. So, yun yung byproduct.
Wow.
So, yeah. So, yun. Yung tipping point ko was me almost being 200. Tapos, basically, that's it. Yun ang aking...
For the record, I hope you don't mind sharing. From almost 200, ilan na ngayon?
Nagtimbang ako kahapon.
Ang payat mo ngayon eh.
Nagtimbang kahapon, I was 184.
Wow! Congrats!
184. Tapos yung muscle, kasi may timbangan ngayon ng mga Xiaomi, di ba?
Yeah.
Ako proud kasi parang I lost already 13 pounds of fat. Parang gano'n.
Nice.
So fat. So parang gain muscle plus fat. So yeah.
Have you set this year na dapat ito yung ma-achieve ko before the year ends?
Hindi. Kasi sabi nga ng wife ko, sabi ko kasi kay Nicole, Well, hindi target. Gusto ko lang talaga ng magandang blood chem. I'm being
Okay,
honest.
sige, blood chem, tama.
Gusto ko lang ng magandang blood chem.
So meaning the result dapat normal.
Oo. Kaya
Oo.
gusto ko excited ako bumalik sa doktor. Gusto ko pagbalik ko doon sa doktor ko.
Kailan ang balik mo sa doktor?
This weekend.
Ayan.
This weekend.
Ako, magkakabalitaan tayo dyan. Maraming salamat, Top. I feel like very similar, no? Kasi it's about building relationship as well. I mean, as you become healthier, nagbabago yung goal nga na dapat mas active tayo, naglalakad, nagji-gym, tumatakbo. At the same time, I think ang ganda ng support system because both of your wives are very supportive. Like, kasama mo si Ana tumatakbo, nagko-content pa kayo, nakikita ko I'm a follower of that content, diba? And then ikaw din pala, talaga sinasamahan ka rin. Grabe, no? I think dun, isa yon sa mga hindi siya secret but I think it's a formula para mas maging successful yung fitness journey, 'di ba? In your case, you'd like a normal blood chem. I think ikaw din, 'di ba, you wanted na mas maging fit din, no? And ito nga may tinatrabaho kang marathon. Ikaw may race ka ba ng Hyrox?
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Next year. Plan is next year.
Actually, this year may Hong Kong din, 'di ba? Nung April ata. Anong April yan?
AIA is the sponsor.
Really?
Yes.
Next year?
Yeah. I actually for the past how many
okay,
events,
gets.
it's really
Really? Hindi ko alam. Pati yung nitong April pala, AIA pala yon. Wow.
EIE.
That's why. Kaya pala sila, yung mga friends natin ay nandun din, di ba? Baka may discount. Maraming salamat. Have you thought about your word?
Wow.
Para habang nag-iisip si Top.
Can it be 2 words?
Pwede
Siguro,
naman, go ahead.
Whole person focus. So it's really not just about being healthy, but really focusing on all the facets of life and making sure that everything has balance.
Wow.
So apart from health, of course, there's also the career, trying to grow the business.
Right.
There's also spiritually, you're growing your relationship with your creator. So I really that's the full focus na. It has to be balanced. It can't be all faith. It can't be all health. It can't be all career. But really having all of those and getting that wheel to move forward. And siguro the second word is to do it to have a more intentional year.
Wow.
To really acknowledge that if you want things to happen, you have to do it day in and day out. Diba? The consistency of doing it. And doing it even if you don't want, even if it doesn't feel like doing
even
it.
Your mood is not
correct.
Is not good, no?
Tuloy-tuloy lang dapat. Tuloy-tuloy lang dapat. So, yun. So, those are the 2 words. Pinahirapan mo ako.
I know. The first word is whole person.
Whole person.
And the second word is intentional. Okay, intentional. Maraming salamat, Carlo.
Welcome.
Ikaw ba, Top? Nakaisip ka na ng word mo?
Isa na tayo doon.
Sa kanya na lang yung second.
Sorry, 1 word to
describe your
2026.
Year 2026. I mean, as who you are.
So ngayon, siguro mas health conscious ako this year. Actually, hindi lang sa health kasi it's cliche. Dati pa naman akong nag-workout. Really yung diet. Mas diet conscious ako this year.
Ganong level. Parang sabi nga niya, intentional. So, ganun ka rin ka-intentional.
Yes.
Sa diet, sa food.
Oo, kasi parehas naman kami ni Carlo we would like to say na active naman kami. Wala pa ng mga bata-bata kami 15 years ago, nag-bike kami, ganyan. Pero ngayon, dati yung diet, okay lang yan kasi pinapawisan naman, ganun yung ako.
Okay.
Pero ngayon, mas sinama ko na yung diet because of my age.
Right.
So yeah, yun ang dagdag sa akin.
Alam nyo, ang babata nyo pang tignan, no? Pero pag nagsalita kayo about age, parang ganun na kayo katanda.
Hindi naman.
No? Pero you look really young. Pili ko magkakaedad lang tayo. Right? Hindi ba? Top?
I'm turning 40 this year.
Pareho tayo.
So, in-accept ko na
Mas baby face ka sa amin.
In-accept ko na yung pagiging tito ko kasi. I go by the name Tito Carlos. So at 40, you're running, what's your target?
I'm targeting 1.8 this year. 1,800 kilometers. As of yesterday, kasi nag-15 kilometers ako yesterday.
Wild. On a casual day, 15 kilometers. Boy.
Wala akong choice. Ang ulan kasi for the past 2 weeks, di ba? So, kailangan ko talaga magbawi ng mileage. So, parang nasa 1,250 na ako. So,
and it's just August.
So 550 more.
Pero kasi imagine niyo yung bagyo mga darating, 'di ba? May holiday na darating, holidays, Christmas, and so medyo pinapredict ko na 'yan kasi most probably mas mababa yung mileage ko ng ganyang month. 'Di ba? Maraming events, 'di ba? Christmas and Christmas party and reunion and marami pang. If you can bring us um to that moment, for example, in your case, that you mentioned that you wanted to have a normal blood chem. Can you bring us to that moment and tell us how does it feel and how much it means to you?
Pagka ganun.
Like let's say for example, bukas biglang nag-check ka, everything is normal. How does it feel and what does that really mean to you?
Okay. Kasi yung me saying naman normal blood chem, parang it's about me, di ba? But really, yung basic lang na yon gives me parang confidence and happiness. So, makikita ko pa yung mga anak kong lumaki. Because really, sila naman yung why ko talaga. Siyempre, yung dalawa kong anak, my two daughters and my wife, of course. But really, I live healthy naman for them eh. So yeah, so pagka maganda yung blood chem ko, syempre when I'm healthier, mas hoping ako, bukod sa prayers, na mas confident ako na kahit pa paano, hopefully, increasing my summers with them while we're still together.
Alright.
So yeah, yun yung ko.
Love it. Thank you. Thank you, Top. Since you mentioned about it, napag-usapan natin kanina bago mag-start yung recording namin, that you are also planning to go back to triathlon or not?
Well, pwede naman. Next year, we'll see. Pero so far, Hyrox muna. Hyrox. Dahil
normally, how many Hyrox a year?
Marami.
Okay.
So, kasi it's a different kind of event. Di ba? Hindi kaya ng triathlon. Mas matagal, di ba? Ang triathlon natin, what? Ang 70.3, 6 hours. Mabilis na yon, di ba? 7 hours. Ang full, 14 hours.
Correct.
Ang Hyrox events, 2 hours. 1.5. Mga ganun. Yeah. Maybe. Do marami na gaya. To si Carlo.
Kasi sa Hyrox talagang mabilis lang eh. Pero pagod na pagod ka. Sa triathlon, matagal. Pero pagod na pagod ka rin.
Pagod na pagod.
Zone 2 versus Zone 4.
Yes. Si Carlo actually. Kami yung last triathlon namin nun. 2 years ago. 2024. Kami nagtatriathlon.
Ano yung race yun?
Yung Mike Delo.
I know
triathlon kami lately para lang to mag-stamp ka lang na, triathlete pa ako.
Na-renew.
Oh, yeah. So si Carlo nangungulit pa. We'll see. Exciting.
Oo, kasi sabi ko nga kailangan ko ng accountability body dito. So actually meron ako isang nahila. So hopefully ay masamahan niya ako sa 2020. 2028 pa naman ang plano ko kasi nga.
Let's do
I
2027.
I really wanted to take it seriously yung training. Sa ngayon kasi mas consistent ako sa pag-swim and pag-run. Sa cycling hindi na masyado. I'm very excited to see that moment and next time na mag-uusap tayo, yun na yung pag-uusapan natin, 'di ba? That's the good news that you're gonna bring to not just of course to your family but for every people na may inspire sa naging journey mo. Diba? Ikaw naman, Carlo, if can you bring us to that moment na ito na, pa-cross ka na ng finish line sa marathon mo after how many years? 7?
7 years.
After 7 years. You're crossing the finish line of your marathon first marathon after 7 years.
Will it be different? Hindi. Actually, one of the... when I'm there, of course, syempre, tataas mo yung kamay mo, di ba? But the best part about it is hopefully pagtaas mo ng kamay mo kasabay hawak kamay kayo nung hawak kamay
Correct.
ng asawa ko.
Yung nandamay sa iyo.
Correct. Yun ang damay sa akin. So parang siya, parang it's a feeling of triumph, of course. Parang I think that's that point in time, if I remember correctly, it was glorious because the journey of getting there took it really was it was really hard to get the proper mileage in, to get to the end of 42 kilometers. And there were a lot of pains, injuries along the way. But to know that you did the trainings that we're doing now, I'm doing it with my wife. So I feel like it's really not just winning in terms of health, but it's also winning with regards to strengthening the relationship.
Right.
Kasi isipin mo, ano pa yung pwede yung pag-usapan every time you run 15 kilometers weekly, di ba? So talagang at the end of that tunnel, hopefully makikita ko that everything was strengthened, even everything. The whole
The whole
person,
person,
the whole
just like
person
you
got
said.
strengthened also.
Love it. Maraming salamat, AD
Welcome.
Carlo. Maraming salamat, UM-Top. I learned a lot. You know what? One thing that really resonated also with this discussion, you love being active even before pandemic. You love being active even before pandemic. May iba-iba tayong reason, may iba-iba tayong intention, the reason why we're doing that before. Baka nung time na yon single pa kayo, or you just got married, wala pang anak. But going back to the things that we love, siguro mas clear sa inyo ngayon because mas may priority on why you're doing it. Diba? Your families are growing, you wanted to live longer and you want to spend more time with them. And I think maraming bagay no sa atin that we have set aside. Hindi na natin ginagawa because our priorities change. But this time may bigger reason na bakit nga ba tayo nagbabalik to becoming fit again, di ba? Running your marathon again. This time you're doing high rocks because aside from health, no, sabi nyo nga, there's a bigger picture behind it. Maraming salamat mga ka-Yays for listening. Maraming salamat Carlo and Top.
Thank you.
I hope maraming makapanood ng video natin, no? Hindi lang ang mga tatay na kagaya natin, no? But also young generations kasi I'm sure they'll get so much learning about not just being healthy but prioritizing health because marami pang kasama no, na pwedeng magkaroon ng impact by just being healthy. Yun lang, maraming salamat mga ka-Yays. Thank you Carlo. Thank you Top.